What's going on, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video. And today's video is part 4 of the 7-part Maxbounty series, where I set up a full Facebook ads campaign using the offer from the Maxbounty network. Like I said, this is part 4. We're going to be creating a landing page for the offer that we selected in part 3. So if you haven't watched that, go check that out before you go and finish the rest of this video. But what I'm going to be using throughout this tutorial is Clickfunnels. You can go and pick up a Clickfunnels trial down in the description below, and I will get a commission out of that, just to support me, man. Wouldn't hurt. It costs nothing from you, but it comes with a 14-day free trial, and after that it's $97 per month. This is what I use primarily. If I'm not using Clickfunnels, I'm using InstaBuilder. Which is my two favorite landing page builders. But once you get you a Clickfunnels account set up, I'll see y'all on the dashboard. All right, so once you create you a Clickfunnels account, this is basically what the dashboard looks like, where you'll be setting up landing pages and things like that. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's go to add new funnel. This is the offer that we're going to be promoting, the National Consumer Review, MAC lipstick. So let's open this in a new tab because we're going to need this in a second. Let's scroll back up to the top, let that load. Classic funnel builder, create new funnel. Create a custom funnel. Get this funnel a name, MAC lipstick. You can just leave it like that. And then hit build funnel. So let it load. All right, so now that it's loaded, I normally like to start all my landing pages from complete scratch. I normally don't like using templates that much, but you can if you want to make it easy for you. But for me, I just always like to practice building my stuff from complete scratch. I feel like it's gonna make me a better marketer in the long run. But like I said, it's even pros that use templates. So man, just yeah, go whatever works for you. But if you want to start from complete scratch, you just scroll down towards the end, and you should see opt-in blank start. From there, you just select template. All right, so boom, now you got the blank template uploaded. Now let's edit the page and show y'all exactly how I set up a landing page to promote this offer. All right, so the template is loaded in completely. First things first, before I even start adding and changing out anything, I always like to look at landing page at offer, just so I can make it congruent. And when you make congruent landing pages to the offers, you naturally get higher conversions. Especially when using similar fonts, colors, and things like that. So you just got to think, how bad would it be if they get to your website and the primary colors is red and white, then when they get to the offer it's teal and white. You're gonna notice a drop in conversions if you do that simple test. But to save you some money, man, just make it congruent to make your landing pages congruent to the offer page. So as you can see, product tester, your pick, you'll be sent a MAC lipstick to review, blah blah blah. So they signing up to become a product tester and get MAC lipstick. So I can already see how I'm about to do this landing page. Let's see if we could copy the image. And we can. That's making it very, very easy for us. I can already see how we about to set this up. Simple headline, an image, and a call to action button. So first things first, I want to make the background like teal. So let's see. Head over to settings, click on background. Background color. Let's do teal. Boom. You can see we already starting to look like the offer. Just that quick. Let's change this color to white. Let's see, there we go, text color to white. Boom. Look at that, already looking good. So let's see, add new element. I always like to do like a if you made it this far into the video, let me know what's the like the real name for this, the name for the what's the name of the thing that's above the headline. What would you call this? Let me know down in the comment section below, because I'm obviously retarded. Not really, but you know what I mean. So with offers like this, I always like to do like secret reveal. Whenever it's like a freebie or a sweepstake type of thing, I always make them feel like they discovering a secret, on how they can get free lipstick or free whatever the case may be. secret revealed. You could bold this. I'm leaving it unbold for now, just to see how the rest play out. So let me go back to this color scheme. Okay, so they got like a lime green right here, so we can use that. See how that looks. Go to the settings, text color. We can make it the slime green right here. Boom. I also want to make this bold. I think theirs is. Yep. Let's make this bold. Control A, hit bold. Now, what I want to say, like I said, they actually becoming a product tester to get this MAC lipstick. So I could say something like, let me see, get free MAC lipsticks by becoming a product tester. Today. Exclamation point. Let me see how this look. Get free MAC lipsticks. I don't like having like two words back to back that's in all caps. So let me see. Let me unbold the free part. Well, not bold. I meant all caps. So let me see how this look. Get free MAC lipsticks by becoming a product tester today. I feel like my English is off, man. Feel free to let me know down in the comment section below. But this look good so far, man. Get free MAC lipsticks by becoming a product tester today. Now I know running offers similar to this, people. I noticed the feedback that I was getting. Some people would say, "How long does this take?" Blah blah blah. So what I want to do is eliminate the objections by saying something like, "This always work. Literally takes less than a minute to sign up." Like I said, that killed any objection they might have to complete an offer, because it might sound like it take a long time to become a product tester. So you want to just eliminate that ahead of time. Now, what color do I want to do? I might do slime green again. Let me see. Let me blow up this font a little more. I don't want it to look too close to the sub headlines and things like that. So get free. Boom. Blow this up a little more. All right, that's cool. Get free MAC lipsticks by becoming a product tester today. Like I said, we can actually rip this image. So let's copy image address, right click. Now all offers, you might not get this lucky where you can just copy the image right off the offer page, but in this case, we are lucky. So let's add a new element. Let's add that picture in right here. Boom. Demo image, click on that image right here. What you'll do, once you right click and copy the image address, you will just paste it right here. Voila. Themes, I always like to do this thing right here. It just look better. So we looking pretty good so far, man. Secret revealed. Get free MAC lipsticks by becoming a product tester today. Literally takes less than a minute to sign up. Let me see how this look. All right, I like that. Get free MAC lipsticks by becoming a product tester today. What else would I add? Oh, a call to action button, of course. Now, this is a very, very simple landing page, and I want to make it teal, but the background is teal. Oh, we got to add like a grayish border right there. So let me see. I want to add an element. I want to add a new section or a new row. So let me do that. Oops. Come on. There we go. Let's add a new row, one column. All right. So now let's make this row a grayish background similar to the offer page. Let's see, gray. Let's bring this. Let me look at the offer, man. All right, it might not be too bad. All right, so we can run with this for right now. Let's see how it look once we add the button in here. So let's add a new element. Scroll down to button. Boom. Let's add that in there. Click to sign up. They did use a teal button, didn't they? Yep, they did. All right. So play load. But in text, we could say something like become a product tester today, exclamation point. Subtext, let's make it urgent, limited time, or not limited time. Let's say limited spots available. Okay, boom. It's looking pretty good. So now let's change the color to teal, button color to teal. See how that looks. All right, so it's looking pretty good. Another thing we could do, let's add an arrow at the end of the button or at the beginning of the button. So let's see. Go down, icon picker. You can do arrow, let's search for it. I like this. All right, that look good. I like this. I like this, man. Coming out pretty good, man. What'd you say? Let me know down below, man. Y'all liking this landing page so far? Secret reveal: get free Mac lipsticks by becoming a product tester today. Literally takes less than a minute to sign up. Now, what I normally would do is put the call to action button or the call to action link inside the picture. So if they tap on the picture, they go to the offer, or if they tap the call to action button, they go to the offer. But this is pretty much, this is pretty much exactly what I use to set this up. So let me copy this because we're gonna need this for the metadata, the SEO, whatever they call it. Here we go. So let's paste that right there. I'll just paste the same thing inside the description. Boom. Are we pretty much done with that? One more thing I forgot to add is the Facebook compliance template. I will leave this in the description if I remember to. If I don't remember, just let me know in the comment section. Like, yo, JT, put the template inside the description. But this is the template that I'm about to add into here is what you're going to need to stay compliant on Facebook so you don't really run into no issues. So let's add a new element, paragraph. Boom. All right, so let's make this text white. Text color white. Boom. What I want to do is, the compliance template looks ugly, so what you want to do is space it away from everything. So you can do that by going to the settings and the top margin, just max it all the way out. You want it as far down as possible. So we just maxed out the row. Now let's actually max out the element itself by going and doing the same thing, going to the settings, top margin, all the way to the back. All right, so boom. So now what I'm about to do is actually paste in the compliance template just right here. If it's still loaded. All right, here we go. This site is not a part of Facebook, Facebook website, or Facebook Incorporated. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook anyway, blah, blah, blah. Like I said, remind me to leave it in the description if I forget to. You just paste that at the bottom of your website, and you're pretty much done, man. I would add in the actual affiliate links and stuff like that, but since we setting up tracking with ClickMagic, it's going to be a little different. I'll be going over in the next part of this series. But yeah, man, this is pretty much the landing page, man. We did this in how long? About 5-10 minutes? It seemed like we created this very, very simple landing page. All we did was add a I'm just call this a sub headline, whatever. Sub headline, a headline, and another sub headline. We got an image here, and we got a call to action button with our compliance template. Super, super simple. Like I said, it only took 10 minutes to do. Let's actually preview it in another tab. Make sure it looks good. Boom. This is very, very good, man. This is very good. Look at this. Become a product tester today. Limited spots available. The site is not a part of Facebook. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, another thing I forgot you can do is add in like the terms and the privacy policy. You can get that from the offer page itself by going all the way to the bottom. Most of them have it. See right here, terms, conditions, and privacy policy. So you could add some text and link directly to it. I'm gonna probably do that once this video is over with. But that's pretty much the landing page. Now in part 5, I believe, is the tracking setup with ClickMagic, where we're gonna be basically well, by the end of that video, you'll know how to set this up in Facebook ads and things like that, so you can track which ads and which ad sets and give you the conversions, things like that. We're gonna be putting our ClickMagic tracking links inside our image and our call to action button in the next video. But if you enjoyed this landing page creation video, man, drop a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Subscribe to the channel, man, right now if you haven't already. What are you doing, man? I post everything, CPA, affiliate marketing, making money online, things like that. And yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.